Hello, Clarissa here at Milam Truck Country, where we're very well known for our service and selection, located at 500 River Road in Puyallup. Today we're looking at a blue 2010 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. It does come with standard headlights, alloy wheels, and mud terrain tires. It is trail rated and has a removable hardtop. Let's take a look on the inside. The interior is a gray and black cloth interior. It does have high and low gearing, Sirius satellite radio and Bluetooth capabilities, auxiliary connection, all of your manual options, seats, locks, and mirrors. It does have power windows and 2 seats in the back. Spare tire. And an Infinity brand subwoofer. The seats also do fold down for extra storage. All of our inventory here at Milam Truck Country does go through a thorough service and safety inspection and is beautifully detailed so that you can purchase with confidence. Give one of our sales representatives a call today at 855-713-5147. And thanks for clicking on our virtual tour.